Yo, you ready to do this or what? Yeah, let's go, man. How do you like that pedal assist on that bike? Yeah, it makes riding it pretty easy, huh? Where do you think you're going? I gotta show him what real power is. Yeah, look at the torque on that. How you like them wheelie hops? Yeah, let's go left. Ah, he left his signal light on. Better tell him. Yo, your signal light's on. Yeah, there you go. Let's go down here and ride around in the park a little bit. All right, yeah, you go that way. I'll go this way. Ah, this shot will look cool. Yo, check out the torque this thing has, man. Lifts the wheel on demand. Crazy, huh? Yo, I'll race you up the underpass. Alright, he doesn't even stand a chance. That 5,000 watt bike's no match for this 12,000 watt bike. And he thinks he's quick. Wait till I really open this thing up. Oh yeah, split up. Nice. This is gonna look cool. Ah, there he goes. Giving her some juice. Alright, I think I'm done messing around. Time to pass this sucker. See ya! Man, this thing rips. Where the heck did he go? He must be having a hard time keeping up. Proves him wrong. My bike's way faster. Oh, what the? Hey, where do you think you're going? Not so fast. Nah, he won't stand a chance. I got him again. Caught up in a matter of seconds. Yeah, I'll take it easy on him. I won't pass him yet. I'll let him enjoy the lead for a little longer. Man, this thing hauls. Yo, there's a hill up here. We should try climbing up it. I want to test out the torque of this motor. On your left there. Yeah, head up that way. How was that? Pretty easy, right, with the electric assist? I didn't even know I was going up a hill on this one. Man, I really like the fat tires on that one. Lots of extra stability riding that thing around. You just can't beat the torque on this 12,000 watt 5-turn motor though. Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling, pedaling, pedaling. Oh man, this is so much fun. Hey, look, a broken down car. Ah, sucker, should have had an Enduro e-bike. Yo, just be careful up ahead here. There's a big bump. You don't want to hit it with speed. You'll probably bust a rim. Man, the tail light sure makes it easy to tell what you're going to do next. I can tell when you're going to stop. I can tell when you're turning. Pretty handy little thing to be able to have. It's right here. Bump. Ooh, that suspension soaked that right up. Yo, the coast is pretty clear. You want to hop back on the street? Yeah, let's go, let's rip. Woo! This thing hauls. Holy crap. Man, oh man. There's that light coming in handy again. I knew we wanted to turn. All right, better slow down. Whoop, dipping in here. Da, 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 da. A little bit of zigzag back and forth. Man, this thing feels well planted. All that extra weight really keeps the tires down. Coast is clear. Let's go. Man, these bikes just feel so well planted with all the weight. Really keeps the traction down, makes them handle great. Man, what a beauty day for a ride, huh? Amazing weather. Yeah, I like driving this way, man. Nice sunset, beautiful street, no traffic. It's awesome. Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more, man. Really nice night for a ride.